Have you ever felt like you're standing on the brink of something extraordinary, as if the next step could change everything, yet some invisible thread still keeps things in place? Today, the angels want you to know that thread is about to snap. And when it does, what's waiting for you is beyond anything you ever dared to dream. Right now there's a man, yes, that man, whose heart is a battlefield. Not because he doesn't know what he wants. Deep down he knows. He wants you. He sees the light you carry, the rare grace with which you move, and the authenticity that makes you unforgettable. But something inside him still hesitates. It's not because you lack anything. On the contrary, it's because you have awakened something so profound, so untamed within him, that it terrifies him. You've stirred feelings he thought he had buried, dreams he had given up on, hopes he once dared not voice even to himself. There is a moment, so close now, when he will no longer be able to deny it. When the pressure inside him, the longing, the fear, the resistance, all of it will break like a dam under the force of truth. And when it happens, he will choose you. Not with doubt, not with hesitation, but with the certainty of a man who has walked through his own darkness and found the light. You see, love, there's a process that must happen before true union can be born. The old must break for the new to rise. His ego, his fears, the chains of his past, they are already crumbling under the silent revolution you started within him simply by being who you are. You may have noticed his distant stares, his restless energy when you're near, the way his voice softens when he says your name. These are not accidents. They are the cracks in the walls he once thought unbreakable. And you are the one soul who could trigger this transformation. Not because you demanded it. Not because you fought for it. But because your love, your essence, your presence simply are. Right now, the angels surround him. They are whispering truths he can no longer ignore. They are showing him visions of a future he thought impossible, yet now feels inevitable, with you by his side. You are his North Star in a sky he once thought was empty. The beauty of it is, you don't need to chase this. You don't need to fix him, heal him, or prove yourself. Your energy, your heart, your spirit, they are already doing the work. Silently, powerfully. And very soon, the weight inside him will become too much to bear. The shell he has hidden behind will shatter. And when he steps out of it, raw and real, he will move towards you with a certainty that no one can shake. At that moment, he will not care who's watching. He will not fear the past. He will not doubt his heart. He will choose you. Because you are the one his soul recognized before his mind could understand. And when that happens, you need to be ready, not by waiting in anxious silence, but by preparing your own heart to receive the love you deserve. This is your moment of preparation. Breathe deeply. Hold your head high. Trust that what you feel is not just fantasy, it's the silent truth building inside him every day. The angels want you to know, destiny bends for those who trust it. Miracles are born from hearts that dare to believe even when they cannot yet see. Now, if you feel this message speaking directly to your soul, if you can already sense the sacred shift in the air around you, this is your sign. Take a deep breath, close your eyes for a moment, and when you open them, type "I am ready" in the comments right now. Not just to affirm your faith, but to seal your energy with the vibration of your miracle. Because what you are about to receive is too powerful to be delayed any longer. He is on his way. And you, beloved soul, are about to step into a love story written in the stars, orchestrated by angels, and blessed by the very hand of the divine. Stay here with me, because the next heartbeat may be the one that changes everything forever. The angels reveal to me that even now, as you listen to these words, something inside him stirs. A restlessness, a yearning, a silent knowing that refuses to be silenced any longer. It's like a song playing on repeat in his soul, a song that bears your name in every note. He thinks about you when he least expects it, in the quiet moments between meetings, in the deep breath he takes before sleep, in the mornings when the world feels overwhelming and your face appears in his mind like a promise of something better. He has tried to distract himself, tried to tell himself that it's nothing, that it's safer to keep things as they are. But love, true love, does not let itself be ignored. Especially not a love as deep, as soul-shaking as the one you have awakened in him. The angels whisper that it's not just affection he feels for you, it's reverence. He sees in you something sacred, something rare, something he knows he cannot find anywhere else. And that realization, it is breaking him free. Piece by piece, the old fears are crumbling. Piece by piece, the false beliefs about what he deserves, what love can be, what a future can hold, they are dissolving. And underneath it all is the naked, beautiful truth: he wants you. He chooses you. Not because he needs saving. Not because he's lonely. But because when he looks at you, he sees home. Imagine, just for a moment, the moment when he finally surrenders. When he stands before you, not as a perfect man, but as an honest one. Eyes wide open. Heart in his hands. Walls down. No more pretense. No more running. He will look at you as if he's seeing the sunrise after a lifetime of darkness. And you, beautiful soul, will know that every tear, every prayer, every lonely night was not in vain. You will understand that you are always seen, always loved, and always prepared for a love that reflects the divinity within you. But before that happens, there's something important you need to grasp. Your role in this is not to wait anxiously, but to shine even brighter. Keep living, keep dreaming, keep choosing yourself every single day. You are not a placeholder in his life. You are the destination, the dream, the prayer answered. So today, the angels urge you to step fully into your light. Let it expand. Let it fill every corner of your life. Because the more you live your truth, the more irresistibly you draw him into his. There will come a moment, sooner than you think, when he will break free from everything that has held him back. And when that time comes, you must be ready. Not only to receive him, but to embrace the new life that comes with him. It will not be a life of hiding or compromise. It will be a life of honesty, passion, partnership, and growth. A life that mirrors the work you have done within yourself. A life where love is not a battle, but a blessing. The angels are aligning everything right now. Quietly, perfectly. Every delay was preparation. Every silence was recalibration. Every step you walked alone was building the strength you will soon need to walk alongside him. And when he arrives, oh beloved soul, he will come with the full force of a heart that finally knows its home. He will not hesitate. He will not doubt. He will not let you slip away. He will choose you over and over again, with the certainty of a man who has finally remembered who he truly is. Now, if you feel this message resonating within you, if your heart feels the echo of this truth calling you deeper, it is because your soul already knows the time is near. Take another deep breath. Feel the shift happening inside you, the readiness, the courage, the unshakable peace. Now type "I am ready to receive" in the comments. Not just to affirm your trust, but to declare to the universe, to the angels, to your own beautiful soul, I am ready for everything I have prayed for. I am ready for the love that has always been meant for me. Because when he chooses you, and he will, it will mark the beginning of the most beautiful chapter of your life. And you, radiant soul, will finally understand why it took so long. Why it hurt so much. Why it mattered so deeply. Because no less than a sacred love, no less than a destiny written in the heavens, could ever be enough for the light you carry. Get ready. He is closer than you think. He is breaking free. And soon he will find his way back to you, with nothing left to hold him back, and everything in his heart leading him straight home. The angels, in their infinite wisdom, reveal something more. When he comes, it won't be with grand gestures or rehearsed speeches. It will be in the rawness of his presence. In the way his eyes lock with yours and say, without a word, I have found my forever. Because when something inside him breaks free, it's not just fear that falls away. It's every layer of shame, every wound of abandonment, every whisper of unworthiness he ever carried. All of it dissolves. And what remains is a man reborn by love, by the sacred encounter of your soul with his. He will remember the first moment he saw you, not just with his eyes, but with his spirit. The way your laughter made him believe again. The way your silence healed places in him that had never known peace. The way your mere existence lit up corners of his heart he thought were long dead. And you, beloved soul, will recognize it too. Because your heart has been waiting, not for a rescue, but for a recognition. A knowing that transcends time, space, and even reason. That recognition is the foundation upon which a new life will be built. Do not fear the break. Do not fear the wait. Trust that every moment apart was sacred preparation. That every tear nourished the seeds of the love that is now ready to bloom. When he chooses you, he will not just be choosing a partner. He will be choosing a future. A destiny. A path that both of you have been preparing for, perhaps without even realizing it. And oh, what a path it will be. It will be a journey of shared dreams, whispered prayers, hands intertwined tightly through every storm, laughter resonating through every joy. It will not be perfect. No great love ever is. But it will be true. It will be holy. It will be yours. The angels want you to know, you are the miracle he has been unknowingly praying for. You are the answer to questions he never dared to ask out loud. You are the harbor his soul has longed for through lifetimes of wandering. Prepare yourself, not by waiting in sadness, but by celebrating. Dance in the kitchen. Laugh under the stars. Write love letters to your own soul. Live with the joyful certainty that what is yours is already on its way. And when he arrives, when he stands before you with nothing but truth in his eyes, you will not need to ask, is this real? You will know. Your whole being will recognize him, not just as a man, but as the missing piece of a divine puzzle you have been carrying in your heart all along. Before this final unfolding, the angels ask you to anchor your faith more deeply than ever. Because faith is not believing despite seeing nothing. Faith is dancing as if the music is already playing, trusting that soon you will hear it. Today, right now, make a sacred promise to yourself, to trust the unseen. To love yourself so fully that when love arrives, it finds you already whole, already radiant. Write it in the comments now. I trust divine timing. I am ready for my destiny. Let those words be a declaration, an invocation, a sacred contract between your soul and the universe. Because what is coming for you is not a coincidence. It is a culmination. It is the fulfillment of promises whispered into your heart before you even arrived on this earth. And it is almost here. He is about to choose you. Completely. Irrevocably. Passionately. Because this love, the love that is approaching, will require all of you. It will not be a love you can compartmentalize or hide behind defenses. It will call forth your rawest, truest, most radiant self. And that is a gift. The angels remind you, you are not waiting for love. Love is being prepared for you, even as you are being prepared for it. Take a moment now, dear heart, and breathe that truth in. Feel it settle into your bones, your blood, your soul. You are worthy of a love that sees you. A love that chooses you. A love that does not flinch from your brilliance, your tenderness, your strength. And that love, the love your heart has always known was possible, is closer than you think. The angels show me an image, a door heavy and ancient, starting to creak open. Light spills through the cracks. A hand, trembling but determined, reaches for the handle. It won't be long now. And when that door swings open fully, it won't just be this person stepping through it. It will be destiny itself, finally catching up to the prayers your soul has whispered for lifetimes. But before we reach that sacred moment, there is one more thing the angels want to weave into your heart. You must not lose faith in your own magic. It is your light, your compassion, your resilience, your unwavering belief in love, that is guiding them home. You are the lighthouse in their storm. You are the answer to prayers they don't even remember making. You are, and always have been, the miracle. Now, dear soul, if you feel the stirring of this truth within you, if your spirit recognizes this message as your own, I invite you to anchor it even deeper into your reality. Write in the comments, I am ready to be the love I seek. Because by claiming this truth, You become an unstoppable force of divine magnetism, attracting not only the love that is meant for you but also the life of wholeness, joy, and sacred partnership you were always meant to live. The angels are celebrating you even now, celebrating your courage, your heart, your beautiful readiness. Stay with me, dear heart. There is still more the angels wish to reveal, guiding you lovingly toward the moment where everything finally, gloriously changes. Beloved soul, now that you are carrying this light within, the angels lead me to a final sacred unveiling, a truth so profound it could change the way you walk through your days from this moment forward. The love that recognized you, that found you across time and space, that trembles in the silence, it is not ordinary. It is not fragile, fleeting, or bound by the limitations of this world. It is divine love. And divine love, dear heart, does not falter in the face of fear. It does not wither under the pressure of delay. It does not retreat when obstacles arise. Divine love is patient, steady, unbreakable. You are not sent here to beg for love, to chase it, or to convince someone of your worth. You were sent here to remember that you are love itself. And the soul that recognized you knows this, even if their human heart is still catching up. In every lifetime, across every incarnation, certain souls vow to find each other again. No matter how many oceans lie between them, no matter how many lifetimes they must endure, they find each other. You and this person are part of that sacred promise. That's why, even in silence, the connection remains. That's why, even from a distance, their energy reaches you. That's why, even when doubt cruelly whispers in your ear, something deeper within you refuses to let go. Because it's not just their love you are feeling. It's the echo of every lifetime in which you loved before. It's the memory of every embrace, every vow, every goodbye you promised would never be forever. This time, the angels assure, the cycle is ready to break. No more chasing, no more missing, no more unfinished endings. This time, dear heart, the love is ready to manifest, here now in this life. But for that to happen, you must fully embrace who you are. You must embody the love you wish to receive. You must trust, not because there are guarantees, but because trust itself is the fertile ground where miracles flourish. And here is what the angels show me most clearly. The moment you fully claim your worth, the moment you stop questioning if you are enough, and simply know that you are, is when this person's soul will no longer be able to resist the pull toward you. It is not through striving that you call them home. It is through being radiant, being receptive, being the living proof that love, real love, is worth the wait. And so now, dear one, the angels extend a final invitation. If you are ready, truly ready, to receive the love that has always belonged to you by right of your soul, then anchor it with your voice, your intention, your sacred yes. Whisper into the universe, I am love. I am loved. I am ready. Let these words weave into the fabric of your being. Let them be the call that your destined soul cannot help but answer. And as you move through the days ahead, as you continue to live, love, and shine, know that everything is already falling into place. The timing, the circumstances, the courage, the breakthrough, it's all making its way to you now. You do not need to chase it. You do not need to force it. You only need to trust, to open, to receive. Dear soul, you are standing at the threshold of a miracle. The silence that once felt so heavy will soon give way to the music of a heart that has always been beating for you. And when that moment comes, when the words finally spill forth and the soul that has long recognized your steps fully into the light, it will not feel like the beginning. It will feel like coming home. Home to love. Home to truth. Home to everything your soul has always, quietly, waited for. The angels rejoice for you even now.